Did you know that on WhatsApp you can hide all chats from the main list without deleting them? This feature, known as Archive All Chats, allows you to keep all your messages in a separate archive, freeing up the main screen for new and important conversations. In this guide, I will show you how to use this handy option to hide chats, keep messages, and improve your organization in just a few steps. Let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is find and open your WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, which will open a menu with options. In the menu that appears, select the Settings option. When you're in Settings, among these options, find the Chats option and tap on it. Once you're on the Chat Settings page, scroll down and find the Chat History option and tap on it. In this section, you will see the option to archive all chats. Tap it, and then in the pop-up window that appears, tap OK. Once you've done that, return to the main WhatsApp screen, and you will notice that all your chats have been removed from the main list and moved to the archived folder at the top of the screen. If you want to review the archived chats, simply tap the archived folder, where all the conversations are still saved. If you want to bring them back to the main list, go back to Chat History and you will see the option Unarchive All Chats. Tap it, and then in the pop-up window, tap OK. Now return to the main WhatsApp screen, and you will see that all your chats are back on the main conversation list. And that would be it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.